Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a very interesting one. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful 36 inches braided wigs, natural looking braided wigs. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm pretty excited about this one because it's been a long time I wore a braided wig. The last one I received like about a few years ago is really different from, like, they've come so far when it comes to braided wigs. It used to be really heavy, but now it's so light and it's as if there's nothing on my hair. And this is 36 inches. Can you imagine? This wig is from Fancivivi hair. I'm going to put all the specs and everything in the description box below. I'm also going to put their links, the link to this wig in the description box below. You know that normally when we do box braid, you know, it takes a lot of time and it's painful and it's expensive, you know, and it damages our hair. But this is why we need this type of wig in our lives, seriously, because having a wig like this you can wear in just 10 minutes and off you go. I didn't use any glue. I used the stockings, but I didn't use any glue. I just used my bed hair spray and then spray it on it and off you go, like seriously. And it looks so natural. You know, something I really love about it is the scalp. You can see the scalp, it looks as if it's growing from my hair. It's absolutely amazing. And you know that normally other wigs, they just have the lace in front and then they have a normal wig cap at the back, but not, this is all round lace. Like, let me show you guys. So you guys can see this is all round lace, like it's lace everywhere. So you can even glue the back down and then pack it into a bun. You can do so many amazing styles with this wig. You can pack it into a bun if you want. You can do like a side pattern like so. You can do a side part, or you can do it the other way around. You can pack the front. You can do whatever. Like seriously, this wig is so versatile. It's so versatile and so beautiful. And the braids are well made. They are so neat, very neat and clean, absolutely neat. This is 36 inches and it's really long. The hair they use is so light. Like, I don't feel as if I have much on my hair. I love the quantity. It's not too full and it's not too scanty. It's absolutely beautiful. And to make it look more realistic, you can either use the stockings, or I don't know how it's going to look like without the stockings, but I'm pretty sure it won't be a problem, because in real life, if I'm to wear it, I'm not going to use the stockings. I'll just put it on, and I believe it's going to, you know, match my color. Or even if it doesn't, then I will use like my foundation to apply on the lace, because it's laced throughout, for it to match my skin, so that when I will go out, I'll just wear it and off I go. And as you guys can see, the wig is really long. As you guys can see, it's 36 inches. It's so long, like so long. I absolutely love this wig. And something that is really still fascinating about this wig is the fact that it's just something that you can easily wear and off you go. It's really nice, and it's really affordable as well. It's so affordable. Let me stop rambling and let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the wig. So these are the accessories that came with the wig.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down. down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no.
So this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, it's a full lace wig.
What you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my stocking scarf.
Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them give me low. If you tripping,
After that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my bearded spray, my free spray.
me know if you just got
And then I'm gonna tie a scarf and leave it for a little bit to dry. When it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the stockings in front, a little bit of it. Then I'm gonna apply my foundation on it a little bit to give it a more natural look. So here I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig.
body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front.
She go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no. Bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. You say yeah, a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really.
After doing that, I'm gonna spray my free spray on the front part of the wig and then let it dry for like 10 minutes.
Take it slow. See the girl, them a coming on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no.
So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna take it off and try to work on the baby hairs. If you don't like the baby's hairs, you can actually cut them off if you want.
Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 Batman, turn up the vibe.
And then this is what it looks like, guys. As you guys can see, this wig looks so beautiful and so natural. And like I said, you can style it in different ways, which I'm going to show you guys.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I countdown, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no. You the beat of the bad man, but drop the beat and a bad man.